Hey learner, this side, I am your book reader. And today I will explain a summary, The 48 Laws of Power, which is written by Robert Greene. In the previous video I explained 2 laws. If you haven't seen the video, I've provided a link in the description. Now, third law is saying, conceal your intention. It means keep people off balance and in the dark by never revealing the purpose behind your actions. If they have no clue what you are up to, they cannot prepare a defense. Guide them far enough down the wrong path, envelop them in enough smoke, and by the time they realize your intentions, it will be too late. For example, in the early 1980s, Coca-Cola planned to introduce New Coke to replace its original formula. To keep their intentions secret, Coca-Cola conducted taste tests under the guise of market research for an unnamed product. This prevented competitors and the public from knowing their true plans until the official announcement. Although the introduction of New Coke eventually backfired, the initial secrecy demonstrated how concealing intentions can prevent competitors from counteracting strategies prematurely. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more related content.